Ready to boost your sales on Offerup? Discover the secrets to maximizing your profits by utilizing these top strategies. Here's how to be successful selling on Offerup. Advantages of leveraging Offerup. Offerup might just be your new best friend when it comes to selling stuff online. Why, you ask? Well, let's dive in. Gone are the days of questionable meetups through platforms like Craigslist. Offerup raises the bar with safety features that are genuinely helpful. For starters, they encourage users to post profile pictures and build up ratings. Think of it as your personal badge of trust. You see a seller with a high rating and a friendly face, and you instantly feel more comfortable, right? But that's not all. Offerup also integrates safety features within their app to ensure smooth and secure transactions. This means you can sell that old bicycle or unwanted furniture without those nagging doubts lingering at the back of your mind. Offerup isn't just about feeling safe, it's also ridiculously convenient. The interface is user-friendly, so you don't have to wrestle with a bunch of confusing options. Need to list an item? Snap some pictures, write a snappy description, and click post, and then you're done. It's like selling for the Netflix generation, quick, seamless, and from the comfort of your couch. Plus, their inbuilt messaging system makes communication with potential buyers as straightforward as texting. In essence, Offerup combines the best of both worlds, the local vibe of a yard sale with the expansive reach of online marketplace. So whether you're cleaning out your closet or offloading a last minute birthday gift that didn't quite hit the mark, Offerup is designed to make the whole process as painless and safe and profitable as possible. Now, here are the successful tips. Let's get into the nitty gritty of what can actually make you a pro at selling on Offerup. Whether you're a first time seller or a seasoned pro, these are the tips that I have for you. Preparation is key. First things first, nobody wants to buy a dirty, scuffed up item. Make sure your items are clean and presentable as possible. Think of it like giving them a little spa day. Not only does this increase the perceived value, but it also makes them more appealing in photos. Mastering photography. Speaking of photos, let's talk about the power of a great image. You don't need a professional camera, and your smartphone will do just fine. The trick is to take your photos in good lighting, and I highly recommend taking your photos next to a window. Capture images from multiple angles, and don't be shy with the editing tools. A clear, well-lit photo makes all the difference and can significantly speed up the selling process. Crafting compelling listings. Now, once your photos are on point, it's about what you say in those listings. Make your title smart and to the point. A good title can grab attention, but a detailed description holds it. Be honest about the item's condition and include any quirks it might have. Nobody likes surprises. Well, at least not the bad ones. And when it comes to pricing, check out what similar items are going for to ensure you're not overshooting. Pricing strategies. Playing the price game right means doing a bit of homework. Look at prices for similar items not just on Offerup but also other platforms. Price competitively. You want to attract attention but still leave room for negotiation. Effective communication. Here's where the efficiency really comes into play. Respond to inquiries promptly. You'll earn a lot of credibility just by being quick. Keep the conversations clear and straightforward, and know your terms before negotiating. You'll make sales faster and with fewer misunderstandings. Negotiation skills. Negotiation is an art, and a little skill here can net big rewards. Always have a bottom line in mind, but be open to discussion. Practice countering offers diplomatically and finding that sweet middle ground. Once both sides are happy, you got a sale. Operational efficiency. Prioritize buyers who are serious and ready to meet. It's both in your interest to close the deal swiftly, and it minimizes the chances of changing their mind. Safe transaction. Safety first. Always choose safe public locations for meetups, never at your home. A police station parking lot or a busy coffee shop is ideal. Smart meetup locations. To ensure smooth transactions, pick convenient spots for both parties. Aim for well-lit areas with security cameras if possible. Lastly, while it's tempting to go solo, having someone accompany you provide an extra layer of safety is just being safe. Share your meeting plans with someone you trust is also a good idea. Better safe than sorry, right? So by following these tips, you'll be well on your way to mastering Offerup and turning those unused items into cash with ease. So selling on Offerup is more than just like listing an old pair of sneakers that barely use the treadmill. It's all about transforming clutter into cash while navigating a modern marketplace. Many users like me have shared incredible successes, and I've earned, like me, over $500 in just the last 2 weekends. By following the strategies detailed above, you too can create a smooth, profitable selling experience. Remember, it's not just about making a sale, it's about building trust and ensuring a safe, satisfying transaction for everyone involved. The platform offers a fantastic opportunity, not just for decluttering, but for making some serious pocket change. So get those high quality photos taken, write those compelling descriptions, and embrace the art of negotiation.